the Michael Jonard game 2020, and then we are going to have game 2 for games 2 for the NLEX Ross matchup, and then TNT Magnolia do or die. And what a way to start game 1. What's up, guys? Nico here with Grem and Mario. This is the tradition that we've been doing. Pag playoffs, we always have post-game podcast, and it's nice to see you guys here. And nice for you guys to be here to listen to us, especially mga nakikinig sa Spotify na rin, no? Kasi meron tayong mga messages na, boss, ba't di mo na-upload sa Spotify? I'm like, I'm sorry, I forget. But let's first start with Ross, no? Nanood kami ni Mario live ng NLEX versus Ross, and hindi ako na-shock na 21 rebounds si Clarito because every rebound naramdaman namin eh. Nandun kami sa basket nakaupo kami ni Mario sa basket ng Ross, and
Wow.
Clarito was getting everything. And deservingly so, kaya nanalo ang Ross by 3 despite Bolick shooting 5 for 20. So, yeah.
Well, honestly, yung sa Ross and Lex game, man, Michael Jonard Clarito went 20 and 20, bro. Like, you aren't supposed to lose games when somebody goes 20 and 20. Tsaka, man,
You aren't supposed to.
ayaw niya talaga magpatalo, bro. Like,
Kita mo yung fire.
bro,
Grabe.
he was diving on the floor. Every rebound, defensive or offensive, sa kanya yun, man. Sabi mo, no fucking way. Get out of my way. And yet, isipin natin na NLEX could have won this game.
They could have won. Yeah.
NLEX could have won this game.
The fourth?
Yeah, they were leading. They were
leading.
Leading by 3.
By 4, yeah. 4, 3.
Back and forth na nung fourth quarter kasi NLEX was up, I remember this, 77-69.
Yes.
And then 10-0 run ang Ross.
Yeah.
Then from there, balikan na eh. Wala nang...
Actually, alam mo yung nag-start nung sa 10-0 run, it was actually also Jonard Clarito.
Yeah, Clarito.
The end one. It was the end one para maging 77-72. Tapos, man, pero in all honesty NLEX did not play a great game.
They did not.
Right? I think masasabi naman natin yun. Bolick was 5 for 20, you said.
5 for 20. He was.
Yeah, that's not good, right? And even like the others weren't that great today. You know what I mean? The only bright spot if you're NLEX is Cyrus Torres.
And at some points, JV Mocon, 16 and 11.
Yeah.
Mocon and So Torres.
Yeah. Pero man, I'm excited for game 2 in that one. Kasi I see it, man. Ross had this game basically at the start. Ross was leading by 16?
14 after that Anton Asistio.
After the first.
Yeah. Anton Asistio. Buzzer.
The step back Padiwax, Anton Asistio, man.
Oh.
Yeah, but we saw it. And it wasn't necessarily close talaga. Right? At the start, hinabol ng NLEX yun dahil kay Cyrus nung start of the third. He hit a 3, he hit a 2, he hit a 4, then he hit another 3. Alam ko yun. Tama ba? And then
he had 14 points overall in that span in the third quarter. Next thing you know, NLEX was leading.
Yeah, pero question. You can answer this with me. Kasi the substitutions of NLEX, kind of curious if you ask me. For me opinion ko lang, walang dapat moment na walang Torres or Bolick.
Yeah, there are times na wala silang dalawa kanina.
I'm gonna answer you. They've been doing this since the Northport game. Di ba they closed without Bolick against Northport?
Yeah, but like, yeah, exactly.
Hindi counted yun, bro.
Hindi mo counted yun.
Hindi counted yun.
Oo nga pala.
Hindi counted yun. Ano, nag-experiment pala sila ng lineup doon?
Yeah.
Diba, Sir Ameng nga pala yun, man.
Remember. In the end, though, what I noticed is if binuksan mo lang yung TV mo with a minute to go, I mean, the thing that you'll come up with is Bolick missed a shot that he could have easily made.
Yung layup, no?
That's a game winner na he makes 9 out of 10. Diba? That was open. And you know, I was just thinking na Robert Bolick was the closer kaya ako pinili NLEX in 2. This will only fuel him in game 2.
Yeah.
I rarely see back-to-back stinkers from you rarely see back-to-back Haliburton games from Robert Bolick.
Haliberto. We are not
Yeah,
gonna see another 5 for 20 from Berto. I think we
no,
can guarantee that, no?
No.
We are not
no,
going to see another 5 for 20 game.
no. That guy is too good to
Baka
shoot
6 for
5
21.
of 20.
That, pwede.
Yeah,
But
but
tama nga. Like, pero, yung for me, how do I say this? Ross won this game when they downsized eh. When
yeah,
they
when they
when they took Keith Datu off the court and said, sino yung pinalit
ah,
na? Ano, Santi, have fun. Like when they had Santi at their 5, that was when Ross was at their best for a while. Kasi
tama.
it was
yeah.
Nokum, I think yung lineup was Nokum, Clarito, Karakut, Santillan. I forgot who the other one was.
Chongson, sometimes you put
Kailan.
Kailan's that was the small ball 5.
Yeah. And it worked out. That's how they got the game back into it. They got back into the game even after NLEX went up by 8 and everybody in the arena thought it was done. Syempre, man, you're up 8 with what? 7 minutes left? That shit should be done. I mean, normally that shit is pretty good. And then all of a sudden, Ross comes out of nowhere. And si Nokum, bro, when Nokum has a jump shot talaga. When he has it, when he has it.
Streaky siya. Streaky si
Yes.
Adrian Nocum.
He's good. When he has it, he's good.
Yeah, I agree.
He doesn't have it. It looks a bit wonky. You know what I mean? But yeah, exciting for game 2.
Yeah, true. Remember when I think there was an article or a post na sabi ni Kume was the venue will be filled kasi magaganda yung matchups. He was 50% correct. The matchups were great. The venue was not filled anyway.
Pero Graham, to be honest,
Yeah.
kami ni Mario, we felt the energy of the
Yes. Ako rin
May energy live. Kami ni
Yes.
Mario.
Di ba,
Mario,
which we
It wasn't puno, but it
It
wasn't
wasn't.
langaw.
Bro, I have been to not multiple, but a number of games not involving Ginebra. The energy is not there. Hindi same eh. Today, nanonood ako sa TV. I can see it. Mula first game, Like
okay talaga. Okay talaga.
It's been a while since the PhilSports Arena had a PBA game na ganito ka-energized. And ito na rin nga, dulot na to ng matchups. And these first 2 games, we're gonna move to Magnolia and TNT in a
Yes,
bit.
sakto.
These 2 games are a testament of how good the matchups are. Like, you could not have gotten a greater day of basketball, first day of playoff basketball, compared to this, di ba? And one last thing before we go to the other series, if we have to,
We have to.
yung 8-point game, 9-point game, ang dali na burahin with the 4-point shot.
Exactly.
The 8-point game is just a 2-possession game.
And hey, man, we saw it. The perfect. We saw it in the second game.
Yeah. Even the
Holy.
first game.
81-88, diba? It was 81-88. May naka-3 from Magnolia.
Was it
and
Rome?
then
Yeah.
Si Rome.
Yeah, so
naka-tres.
Rome.
yeah,
And then
yeah.
and then it
Calvin
was Paul
Octana and PGR both missed layups. And then Paul Lee squares up, gets the screen from, I think, on my life, I'm pretty sure it was Rafi Rivas. But gets the screen, pulls up from 4 and drills it. And it's a tie game all of a sudden. So, all of a sudden, the 4-point shot again has kind of proven na it's done what it wants, what it wanted to do, right? Yung
With the right hands, with the right hands. Hindi pwede
Ayun
kasi
nga,
sino lang.
yeah. Proper people should be shooting that
Proper
shit.
people. Si Gabe nga, na-sub out nung tumira ng 4-point shot, diba? Naalala mo yun?
Oh, grabe mo.
Coach Yeng was naka-stink eye si Coach Yeng kay Gabe Norwood kanina na parang
of all the things that Gabe has done over the past 16 years for Coach Yeng, he still gave him the look that
parang
will scare the
kakatakin
hell out
It's
of
like he was a rookie.
because he should not take that shot if you're Gabe Norwood.
It's like
Kasi 14 sila noon, up 14 sila noon, di ba Mario? They were
Yeah.
up 40, I remember. 40-26. Like 4-point shot si Gabe Norwood. Sub out the next
So,
dead.
tanggal siya agad. Anyway, let's move on to this.
TNT Magnolia.
Okay, here I don't want to. I'll say this as nice as I can.
Mm.
Not necessarily, but if you're Magnolia, you should have won this game, man. This was the game. You were up by 14 at one point in the game, and when you started the third quarter. Pero for some reason, do you just parang nawala yung want to win ng Magnolia at some point.
Oo.
TNT did it more at some point, man. And Calvin Oftana does not have a high ankle sprain or whatever calf strain that
You
whatever.
don't
No.
get 21-16 with a calf strain.
that's
21
a
and
smoke
60.
screen.
My gosh, guys, let's not do this. And credit to TNT. I will say this. Credit to TNT kasi with the calls that they had against them in the first half and even some point in the second half, it's kind of hard to bounce back mentally kung ikaw yung TNT at that
Tama.
point. Ubos ka ng, like every single foul possible was being called against TNT and nothing was being called for them. And yet they still found a way to win. So if you're Magnolia right now, this was the William Navarro game, by the way.
It was.
This may have also been the Paul Lee game, by the way. Right? So you had two of your best players who actually had great games, and you still lost this game. Shout out to that bad man, Brandon Ganuelas roster.
2 threes? Was it 2 threes, Mario?
1-1-1.
1-1-3-1. One corner. Oh yeah, sorry, mixed up the
Tell
guy.
you that. But can you imagine in that moment if you're Magnolia? Okay.
Alam mo hindi para sa'yo, bro. Pag nakatres na si
Down one.
BGR. Oh.
Yeah, down one, and then you let BGR shoot a corner three, it goes in. You're like, fuck, okay, sige, let's go. Let's try to convert on the other end. You miss. I know. I'm not sure what happened. I think you miss. You go back down, and then Kelly Williams hits a three in your face. What do you feel in that moment? You're just like,
Feeling ko, ito Mario, kaya sabi ni Coach Chito, baka ito yung time na mga matatanda, pinasok si Rafi Rivas, do your thing, do your magic. Tito Rafi, best player of the game ka last game.
Bro, I forgot to say this last week.
Oh,
Rafi Rivas only plays good on Friday the 13th, man. Last week was Friday the 13th, but that was an aberration. He should not have been in the game with
the dying seconds, di ba Mario?
dying
He shouldn't
seconds.
have been there in the last 30 seconds.
Laput
20
should
seconds.
have been there. Laput should have been
Or
Yes.
Sangka
there.
lang. Or kahit Ian.
Yes. Yes, but if you want to
Or
bigger
go
party, then
small,
go with
can't go
Laput.
small. But like,
Pwede rin.
man, when Calvin Oftana got the mismatch on Rafi Rivas, I saw him lick his lips, bro.
Bigaboo!
He's like, oh my goodness. And drove to the rim, right past Rafi. He missed the layup, and then you just couldn't get the rebound. So your main purpose, kung ikaw si Rafi Rivas, which is to get the rebound, you did do twice. Alam
Hindi
mo
niya
yun?
na ano eh. Hindi niya nakuha yung rebound.
Siyempre, we can't fault him. He's almost 50, I think. Not, I
Yeah.
don't know.
46, Grem? Ano ba?
47 na ba si Rafi Rivas?
47.
I don't know.
Basta high 40s.
Yeah,
Wait
Bro,
lang.
wala na
Rafi
nga mabiling jersey niya, di ba?
Rivas' age.
Yeah.
47. 47.
47.
So I don't think it's Rafi's fault. I think it's Coach Chito's fault. Because what are you doing putting
Yeah.
somebody...
Hindi na.
He hasn't played much this series. This year, right? He played in this series, sure, and he made one free throw. Okay, what prompted you to go, yeah, bro?
Alam mo, bro,
Rafi.
Coach Chito, as Justin Brownlee hits a three, Coach Chito is giving Magnolia and the SMC franchise every reason to fire him.
Yeah.
It's been years, man, and
How many years na ba, Graham, si Coach Chito?
I don't know, but it's been 7 years since they won the title in the
Okay.
Governor's Cup.
And
Diba,
that was
the
still
Rom-
Coach Chito. Coach Chito pa yun.
That
Oh,
was the
matagal na
Romeo
talaga.
Travis 50-point game against Ginebra, di ba?
Lebron. Best
yeah,
friend ni
well,
Lebron.
for sure. But come on, man, you have to make better coaching decisions, and we're not coaches, di ba? The thing that we always say, Nico, is we never tayo magmamarunong.
Yeah, never. We're
Against those
content
coaches.
creators here. We are enthusiasts of the game. I think that's something we make it clear na we are never analysts. We are just content creators who love the game, who love the PBA. I think that's
but
super clear.
Yeah, but you could have better coaching decisions. You visit the Magnolia fan pages. I'm one of them.
They bash him ba? Binabash ba si Coach Chito ng
He-
mga Magnolia fan pages?
Bro, I have not seen a coach being bashed this much since Coach Chot in the national team. And the words that
Really?
they're using are
Okay.
the words that they're using are really cruel, man. They want this guy to go. And they have the coaches that can replace him, diba? Si Johnny A is there. Jason Webb may have learned
Coach
already.
Juno Sauler. Coach Juno is a good coach.
Yeah, he used to be an assistant for Nebra. So he has a lot of replacements on his way or in his place. So, better be careful, Coach Chito. Next game may be your last game if you put up another stinker.
Ako feel ko
Ah.
hindi pa rin niya last game to, bro. Kahit ano mangyari. Diyan pa rin siya next year.
It wasn't even just the Rafi Rivas thing. Jerome Lastimosa was cooking Brandon Ganuela's roster.
Yeah.
The start of the fourth quarter.
Biglang sabo.
In a row. He was like, nope, give me the ball. I'm an ISO on BGR. Scores it every single time. And then what does Coach Chito decide to do? Hey man, let's sub out Jerome Lastimosa.
That's what I don't understand about him. I don't know
Sabi
kung
ko,
habit na
Ryan.
ba yun or whatever.
No sense.
Whenever a guy is hot, nilalabas niya talaga. Like, are you reserving him for the
Or baka
fourth
he's
quarter?
very sa rotation niya na parang 5 minutes remaining, tanggal. Ito na yung natin.
There
Di ko
are
alam,
times
di ko
that you
alam.
have to get out of your principles na, ito lang yung limit mo. Bro, this is the playoffs. You just gave TNT another chance.
Yeah.
Ito yung
They should not have-
pinakaayaw mo. If you're a Magnolia fan, you give life to the
Or a
diba,
Ginebra
for
fan.
Pete seeking. Alright,
Ginebra
you, this Paul Lee fan over here. Oh, anyway.
But another thing is, ano to? I don't. I like Peter Alfaro. Okay, Peter Alfaro. I think is a good
I like Pete also. Yeah.
bro. You know he wasn't hitting us. He couldn't throw a fish in the ocean today, and you were just like, nah. Let me just keep Peter in this game and letting him keep brick shots. You could have extended your lead to so much bigger, but you kept Peter in the game. I know Peter Alfaro can make that shot, but right now you have Jerick Ahamnisi rotting
Yeah.
rotting on the bench.
And he had a good fit. May suot pa, ayos pa yung suot niya papuntang area. Di mo naman ginamit.
Bro, I'm
Brother,
gonna tell you
want a
this.
you want a shooter? Hey man, Jerick Ahamnisi is right there. What does he not do? You know what I mean? Like it made no sense at all. Jerick Ahamnisi is right there. And I want to move on to the TNT side because I want to give
Oo.
massive credit to RR Pogoy, number 1.
Yeah, that
Pogs,
was
bro.
great.
Wait, Mario, question. Pogoy
else?
did not hit a shot ba nung first half? He didn't make any? May narinig akong ganun sa
Then
sa
naka-press siya.
broadcast. Pero sa first half. Pero ang sama daw ng ang sama yung first half niya compared to a complete 180 sa second half, no? Yung
Bro,
Yeah, it
Pogs
was. I was
big
gonna
time.
tell real quick, Mario, before you go to TNT.
Go
No way Calvin gets the offensive board if Calvin Abueva is still in Magnolia. Like,
Uh-oh.
Calvin will have that board.
Yeah. Well, may sangga lang naman. May sangga lang, may lapon.
Calvin gets that ball, man.
Yeah. You know what else doesn't happen? Ay, no, joke lang. Nasa Korea na pala siya, Hal. I was gonna say
Ah,
Arvin
yeah.
Torres.
Iba na naman yun.
I was gonna say-
Well,
My
Northport alumni, so.
My bad, dude.
Yeah.
And again, makes no sense. A lot of these decisions, yung kay Calvin Abueva, wala naman magagawa. Technically, William Navarro was the best player for Magnolia today.
Mm.
Alam naman natin yun, di ba? But like, it's kind of surprising. And ito dagdag ko lang, TNT missed a shitload of free throws today. RR Pogoy missed two, I think. Calvin missed 2 in a row.
They're
BJ
21 for 30, 70%.
And you still lost. And you still lost because of Magnolia. Again, ito yung chance mo manalo, man. We said this nung previous podcast. If you have a chance to step on TNT, you step on TNT, man. And you didn't
That's
step
what
on them.
I'm saying.
Now you're going on Saturday. It's anybody's game.
Anything
And
can happen.
we said it. We literally said this. If TNT advances out of the quarters, they're going straight to the
Dire-diretso yan. Dire-diretso yan.
Diretso.
This is why I'm hoping na I'm wrong already dun sa Ross and Lex series. Because if Ross
And Lex in 2 ka,
advances,
diba?
I
Ako
have,
feel
I
ko
have
Ross in
NLEX
2.
I have NLEX in 2. Good thing is, mauuna yung game ng TNT and Magnolia, right?
Mauuna nga. Mauuna yun. Mauuna yun.
Now I have the option. If Magnolia wins, then okay, yeah, I can be right about NLEX. But I also would love Ross to advance. If not, then I really would like Ross to advance because no way NLEX will block TNT's way to the finals.
No way. I thought,
No
Mario,
way.
that's 5. That minimum max 5 games. Max 5 games.
Sweep
If
pa nga yan,
NLEX versus TNT, max
Sweep
5.
pa nga yan because the other bracket, no way that there's gonna be a sweep between, Ginebra, San Miguel Converge.
Oh, it's gotta be a
But-
great series. Yeah.
One thing, I will never believe another injury report for TNT. If Jason Castro suits up next game or Ray ng Batak, I won't be shocked. These men are liar. Calvin Oftana is
Except yung
not
kay
a-
Ray though. I kind of expected Ray na
Sabi
akala
ko
mo
nga eh,
lumitaw
diba?
siya today
He's not
pero
coming
wala
back, right?
talaga.
Wala na siya, di ba?
Wala pa rin. Wala naman siya kanina eh.
Wala
Eh,
pa rin.
I thought lang, kala ko lang babalik siya. Kasi ito na, tinatago lang ng TNT. Tapos bigla, shit, baka masama talaga injury niya. Doon ko lang na-realize.
Hindi, yung
Diba?
point ko is wala na siya, period. They posted it,
Really? I
right?
don't know.
Really?
They said na
Saan?
I didn't see
the
it.
Spin posted it that he's not allowed to play
Wow.
anymore because they didn't
Just
activate him.
now or kanina pa?
No, like
Oh,
before
yeah.
the halftime.
Oo nga.
Yeah, he can't
Oo
play.
nga. So
Yeah.
if they don't activate you before the playoffs, then
They
you
can't
can't
use it.
go.
Yeah,
Okay.
Oh, wow.
yeah. Uy, grabe yung fadeaway ni Brownlee dyan, no? Whoa.
Yes, sir. Oh, wow. That's
Oy, lumalabas bias nyo.
So wala, Ray's not playing. And speaking of point
wow.
guard play, man, shout out, you had to give major props to Brian Heruela, bro.
Got hurt na.
It sucks, huh? It sucks that he got injured. It sucks that he got injured at the end of the game. I think it was his ankle. Ankle ata yun.
Ankle yung kanina, di ba? He was holding
Yeah.
on to his
But
ankle.
man, TNT needed some sort of stabilizing presence on defense and offense. And they found it in the least likely of sources in Brian Heruela. And everybody in the arena, everybody from the coaching staff of TNT and the players knew Brian was playing a really good game kanina. You know who wasn't playing a good game? Simon Enciso.
Oh, that guy, man.
Man, I was in the arena, okay? Nico and I were there, but Nico left before the TNT game.
Yeah, I watched online though, so
Brother,
it's all good.
The hate Simon Enciso was getting from the TNT crowd was insane. Whenever he touched the ball, TNT.
Ano narinig mo from the crowd whenever
Ako,
NC?
Bro, if I say it, baka
Hindi, I mean like, basta they were not happy pag siya may hawak ng bola.
Yeah, dude, because he was missing shots.
Oh.
He was making some bad choices, and that's why he wasn't able to play in the end. It was Brian Heruela. Even when Brian Heruela got injured, they were still like, nope, not you, brother. I'm rather gonna play Kelly Williams and BGR at the same time. That's how it ended up being. And notice nyo ba? I don't know if you guys know, Poy Aram did not play many minutes in this one.
Yeah, he only played 14 minutes, -8 today.
And this is what we're saying. This is what Graham and I were saying. You do not want TNT to start finding this rhythm with BGR and Jordan. BGR is looking ready to play basketball again, man.
That's right.
Aside from
yung ano niya kanina, yung elbow na whatever.
Aside from those like errors which he shouldn't commit anymore.
That's right.
Oh, you know that's not the last of it. You know that's not the last. He's gonna get one per game. He's gonna get one per game.
Simon Enciso, by the way, getting the Mava Hanmisi or the 2022 Russell Westbrook treatment na parang whenever...
We should have a category for that. No? We have the Hanmisi player of the game. Apog. Yung Apog natin. Apog goes.
Apog.
Apog natin.
Hanmisi player of the game.
Oh, sino Apog natin ngayon?
Simon Enciso.
Yeah, Enciso. Yeah, sorry. Yeah.
This is very clear. That guy did not score. Was not inserted during the moments that he should be on the floor. This guy's a champion with SMB, man. But
I mean,
well, everyone can be a champion with SMB other than Gary David, diba?
Yeah.
But bro, this is scary for Magnolia because you just gave TNT a chance and the pressure is on you, the momentum is on them. Bro, lugmok na yung team na yun. That team did not have anything. You had them down 14. They were on a losing skid and then you gave them life. Yeah. And then they were handing the game to you on a silver platter. They let Paul Lee tie it with a 4-pointer. They took a shot that they missed and then you gave Calvin of Time the offensive board. You just gave it away. The one thing to note, the other one team, Magnolia, known to be a choker. The other team, TNT, known to be a closer. That's how it went.
Another thing I want to add is, let's talk about that last play, guys. Let's
talk
about the last play of Magnolia.
Oh yeah, you can save that last play.
It was the most anticlimactic moment.
Kaya sabi ko, ano play?
Like, so like in the arena, there wasn't a single sound made. It was just like, oh, okay.
Okay, ganun na tapos.
They didn't even do anything.
Pati na sa chat, diba? Okay. Yun na yun.
Parang, alam mo yun sa volleyball na parang 24-23 and then yung tira is outside.
Yeah, like,
or service error, di ba?
And you're like,
then you're like,
alam mo yung nag-comeback kayo no, sobrang lupit, di ba? 24-17. Hinabol nyo 24-23. And then, your next play is a service error. Yun exactly what happened. You're just like, like
guess TNT.
Yeah, you lost. And what can we do? I'm curious about the last call. I don't know what you guys have thoughts about that. Yung foul yung foul against, on Baroka. Was that unspo?
What part of the game is that?
Sa dulo. Like yung literal na last 2.9 seconds. After
Yung
they
kay
got
Kelly?
the rebound, they pushed the pace, diba? They pushed it to try to...
Yung sa sideline.
Yeah. Kasi the Magnolia camp were praying to the Lord that it was an unsportsmanlike foul, diba?
Pero parang,
They're not gonna give a call like
They're
that.
not gonna give that call.
2.9
Hindi na bibigay yun,
seconds
Mario.
Exactly. I
remaining
agree.
in a playoff game.
I
Winning.
agree. Absolutely. Because when I was exiting the arena, the Magnolia fans were the ones saying, ang daya naman, dapat foul yun sa dulo. I was like,
Well, fans are stupid when it comes to supporting their teams, di ba?
oo nga,
I mean,
Greg.
I admit that na parang why walang foul. But if
Yeah.
it's the other way around, then tama lang yan na walang foul. I mean, we our biases outweigh our judgment when it comes to those
Yeah.
calls. So it's a good goal. Good use of the foul to give, by the way. Fans are in for a great treat on Saturday. I want to watch.
We're not-
ikaw, taga Manila si Grim Mario, so I think he could be the one. So kami yung maghihintay sa'yo pa uwi. Guys, game 2 predictions before... go.
Game two predictions, yeah, that's what I wanted to go to.
Yun na, let's end it with game 2 prediction. Ako, I'll start no. Ross gets game 2, tapos TNT in 2.
I'm the same. Sadly, I'm the same.
Same ka.
I'm on the other side. Magnolia wins
NLEX.
the first game and then NLEX wins game 2 against Ross. Tapos alam niyo yung meme na may 5 black guys tas may isang white girl na nakaupo sa couch. Ganun yung SMC teams versus NLEX in the semis. They are gonna pounce NLEX in the semis or even if they get past Magnolia. I know you guys know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, alam ko.
It's
YouTube
just
tayo.
only the
So,
context
skip
of
it
the
there. Nasa YouTube tayo. Nasa
Yes.
YouTube tayo.
I was
Oo.
just saying, I just described the people involved. I did
yes,
not
yes.
add anything else.
In the comments, let us know.
Magnolia and NLEX win on Saturday. Guaranteed.
Okay, so guys, thank you so much for listening. Follow 5-star rating on Spotify, like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. 6-Man Podcast, Nico here with Graham and Mario. We'll see you all next time for... Wait, Friday may laro, di ba?
Friday may laro San Miguel.
Yung mga teams nyo. Yung
Yes.
team nyo pala.
Yeah. At
Sige.
Magnolia and San
See you
Miguel.
guys. See you guys Friday
Adios,
night.
amigos.
See you guys Friday night.